Hello, my name is Heather Gonzalez. I'm a Master Gardener volunteer with the UF IFAS Extension Office in Lee County, Florida. And today I want to talk to you guys about vegetables that you can plant and enjoy through our hot spring and even summer months here in South Florida. So it is March as I'm making this video, and most South Florida vegetable gardeners are starting to think about packing things in for the summer. As the temperatures get hotter and hotter, things start to wilt faster, bolt quicker, get overtaken by fungus, disease, and pests much easier. And the reason for that is not only do our daytime temperatures get extremely high in the summer months here, but our overnight temperatures stay high. So you may be thinking, well, in Wisconsin, it got up into the 90s sometimes in the summer. And yeah, that's true. But plants really need a break overnight. They need those cooler overnight temperatures to get a rest. The other thing that's an issue for us here is heavy rainfall and high humidity. So not a lot can grow in the summer, at least not a lot of traditional vegetables. But there's still stuff that can make it. And I'm going to show you a few of my favorite things to grow throughout the spring and summer, things you can plant now in March and continue to enjoy. There is still plenty of time for peppers. I have some jalapeno peppers here, but you could definitely start sweet or hot peppers right now. Some will hang on all summer long. My dad has a shishito pepper plant that's been kicking for 2 years. Eggplant is also something that you still have time for. This variety is called fairy tale eggplant. It's on the smaller side, but very pretty. Another one I would recommend though for the summer months is Florida high bush eggplant. It's drought resistant, so these drier months in the spring before rainy season starts, it should be doing pretty well with just regular watering. Look at these collard greens. I really need to do a harvest. These will continue to produce for me for probably a couple of months if I'm lucky, but I think definitely you still have time to put them in the ground in early spring and get a good harvest or two. I've got some arugula here. Mine's a little old, starting to bolt, but I'll probably do one more round of arugula. Even though you can't do it all summer, this crop sprouts and grows so quickly that there's definitely time to sneak in another round of it in the spring. Just be warned, the hotter it is when you germinate your arugula, the spicier it's going to be. So be prepared to have quite a kick on your spring arugula plants. I am going to be seeding in the next few weeks here some Seminole pumpkin. As you can see, best planting dates October to March, so I'm going to get them in under the wire and enjoy those through the summer, as well as some wild or Everglades tomato. Tomatoes are really tricky in the summer. They just can't seem to stand all of the pest problems and fungal problems that come along with summer, but this one is the exception, so give it a try. It's a cherry tomato and people love it. Also, don't forget about flowers. This is not a bad time to do cosmos, zinnia, marigold. You can do these, and I get these seeds 4 for $1 at the dollar store. So any holes in your garden left by other crops, fill them with flowers. Finally, I have to mention that there are lots of fun vegetables you may not have heard of that are actually perennial in our area. This one is called red Malabar spinach. It grows like a vine. It's absolutely beautiful. And these tender leaves you can eat raw or cooked, just like spinach. This is a really deep topic, perennial vegetables that you can grow year-round in Florida, and perhaps the topic for another future video. But here is one of my absolute favorites to get you started. So I hope you all are enjoying the last of your winter tomatoes, the last of your fresh lettuces, the last of your cucumbers. But if you're not ready to quit, neither is Florida. There's plenty of stuff you can still grow. I hope this gave you some ideas. Check out the links below to contact your UF IFAS Extension Office or ask IFAS online for more about growing veggies in Florida.